1 year since the RG Kar Hospital horror case, Bengal is now protesting. They are now marking RG Kar case's anniversary. Parents of the RG Kar Hospital victim are the ones who are leading this march. Entire state of West Bengal is now protesting. The visuals that you are seeing coming in from the city of Kolkata. It's been a year since the horrific RG Kar rape and murder case happened. Protesters are now marking the RG Kar case anniversary. Parents of the RG Kar Hospital victim are leading the march. My colleague Anirban Roy is now joining me on the story. Anirban, this was a heart-wrenching case. The entire nation was extremely angry. We understand it's the parents of the victim. They are the ones who are leading this march.
Well, definitely you see that in this march, the parents of Abhayas are leading the march along with the Bengal opposition leader, Shubhendu Adhikari. We cannot show you the faces of parents, but right now you can see the parents as well as the few of the BJP leaders, those who are protesting just in front of the Park Street. This is the central Kolkata, and the rally was about to go towards Raj Bhavan, but the rally path was changed by Shubhendu Adhikari, and right now this rally is coming towards Park Street, but the police is obstructing, as they have said already that they will not allow the Navanya Abhiyan, and as the parents has already alleged that there must be something that has been hidden by the West Bengal government after the case has happened within 24 hours or 48 hours, and after that CBI has taken over. But right now the protest is going on, and in everywhere in West Bengal right now, not in Kolkata, but in Satragachi, in Howrah, in various places of Howrah, as well as people from different districts has came here. Sadhu saints also came here to protest against this, and they are saying that we want justice. And two of the slogan that was raised by the parents of Abhaya as claimed by Shubhendu Adhikari. One is we want justice, and the second is that Dafa Ek Dabi Ek Mukhyamantrir Padotyag means they have only one thing to claim, that CM Mamata Banerjee should resign immediately. And right now we can see there is scuffling between police as well as the protesters, and the protesters are trying to break the barricade as well. So right now it's a high drama outside just before Dharmatala and Park Street crossing, and people are demanding, this is the protest without any banner of BJP or without any banner of political parties. We can only see that there is lots of national flags and placards holding that Dafa Ek Dabi Ek Mukhyamantrir Padotyag, and you can see the people are trying to break the barriers. Also the BJP MLA Agnimitra Paul, I can see that BJP MLA Agnimitra Paul also there along with the protesters, and right now several leaders has joined, and they are demanding that they have to allow, the police have to allow the protesters to go towards Nabanno to give their deputation, as well as they are claiming, they are raising slogan of for the resignation of CM Mamata Banerjee.
Right, Anirban, let's now listen in to what the father of the victim has to say. He's the one, along with his wife, they are the ones who are leading the march.
सीबीआई का पास हमारा बहुत क्वेश्चन था। जो उसका रिपोर्ट है 93 रिपोर्ट उन्होंने बनाया है, वो रिपोर्ट के ऊपर ही हमारा क्वेश्चन किया था। इतना क्वेश्चन सुनकर उनका पास कोई क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं है। उन्होंने जो 93 रिपोर्ट CFSL से बनाया, उन्होंने वो सब रिपोर्ट कुछ जानता ही नहीं है डायरेक्टर ने। इतना क्वेश्चन करने के बाद वो उठकर चला जा रहा था और बोल रहा था कि हम एक को केस छोड़ देंगे। उस टाइम में हम बोला कैसे, हमको बोलने क्या फ़ायदा, कोर्ट में जाके बोलिए, कोर्ट में तो मामला चल रहा है, कोर्ट में जाकर खड़े होकर बोलिए ना जो हम मामला छोड़ देंगे, उसके बाद हम समझ लेंगे क्या करना है।
I along with several BJP MLA are assembled in front of assembly. We are going to join the protest called by the father and mother of our sister, doctor sister. एक परिवार को, उन पिता माता को डर का उसको महसूस हो रहा है। अभी से बहुत सारे जनता, आप पता कर लीजिए, असेंबली होना शुरू हो गया है और थोड़ी देर आधा घंटा के अंदर नवान्न अभियान का जो ऑफिशियल कार्यक्रम जुलूस निकलने वाला है।
Anirban is right at the spot, the place where this march is now taking place. Anirban, we understand that politics also has now come to the forefront. It's the BJP which is also a major part of this protest. We are seeing large number of people now battling with the state police.
Well, see, definitely the people, those who are protesting along with the BJP leaders, we can see right now Ognimitra Paul, who tried to break the barrier, has been already. We can see the high drama visuals over here that few BJP protesters, those who were protesting and tried to break the barricade, was being detained by the police, as well as not only the protesters, but the significant thing is that right now the father and mother of Abhaya, parents of Abhaya, has already joined this rally, the big rally that is happening from Dharmatala, along with Shubhendu Adhikari and various leaders, also sadhu, saints, and the civil society people, the NGO people, all are protesting and they're raising slogan. They're saying that police should allow them to march towards Nabannu. And this is the claim that is going on from the last 1 year, that they want justice. And we can see how the scuffling is going on between the protesters and police. Police has already started lathi charge. The police already started lathi charge. And the people are getting scattered. The police has started lathi charge. And the protesters. Media. What is this? And we can see the stone pelting has started already. The stone pelting has started over here. We will talk to the Abhaya sir. We will talk to Abhaya sir. He is exclusive with us. ऐसे करके आप लोगों को रोका. Also stopped and by the police. And right now he is also trying to escape. The high drama situation unfolded in Park Street. I can show you the visuals over here.
Right, Anirban, he is my colleague who's now showing us visuals of this protest, a protest to mark 1 year of the RG car case. It's become a very political. Just a couple of minutes ago, we saw how the police resorted to lathi charge, and now we are seeing high drama on the streets of Kolkata.